What's up, y'all? It's Mel and welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm showing y'all this wig that I purchased from Amazon. It's 24 inches and it came in body wave. If y'all are interested in this wig, I will leave a link in the description box below. So here I'm just showing y'all what the lace looks like. It's an HD lace, but we all know it's not HD. It's giving transparent, and it also came with an adjustable band. In the box it included a wig cap as well as an edge brush. So now I'm just spraying the baby hairs with this liquid mousse by Fantasia. Since we're getting ready to bleach the knots, I'm just combing back all those baby hairs and flyaways to get it out the way. We've been together 6 months now. The most perfect day. You push for us to exchange. Now we're about to create the mixture. So I have a bowl and I'm using a metal butter knife, but when you guys are bleaching your knots, don't use a metal tool because it doesn't react well with the bleach, but I just forgot. Then I'm using 40 volume developer and quick blue bleach. So I'm mixing the bleach and the developer to get the consistency that I want. You don't want it too liquidy, but you don't want it too thick as well. As you guys can see, this is the consistency that I was going for. When bleaching your knots, you always want to start from the back and then work your way to the front. After I finished putting all the bleach on the knots, I put a layer of foil on top. And I'm just going to let that sit for 30 minutes. After I washed all the bleach out, I noticed that some parts of the hair was a little over bleached. So what I did was I took some semi-permanent jet black hair color and I just put it over all the bleached parts of the hair. So after I finish washing out the dye, I'm just using a wax stick and I'm just putting it on the hairline as I get ready to start plucking. So when it comes to plucking, it's really nothing to it for real. I just part like 2 or 3 sections backwards and then I just pluck each section to how I want it to look. So this is what the outcome looks like. If y'all do want a more in-depth tutorial on how I pluck my wigs, let me know in the comment section below. So to finish off customizing this wig, I just cut some layers and I kind of straightened it, bumped the ends a little bit, but here's what it looks like. So now I'm getting ready for the installation process. So what I'm doing now is I'm using the Ruby Kisses foundation in the shade 16, and then I'm just adding some Got To Be gel on my edges to brush it backwards. Then I'm just using the same shade foundation to match the cap with my skin tone. So y'all, this was my first time using this brand foundation, and I'm not gonna lie, the scalp that it was giving y'all, it was matching real well with my skin color. Instead of alcohol, I'm using Sea Breeze, and I use this because it's a lot more gentle on the skin, as alcohol can cause bumps and irritate your skin. So instead of Ghost Bond, I wanted to try a new glue, so I'm using It Don't Move by Crystal LaShawn, and I will leave the link in the description box below. But if y'all are looking to purchase a new glue, I highly recommend this glue. Like, it's really good. Like, when you're sweating and everything like that, it will not move. Like, it's stuck. Like, once it's on your head, it's stuck. It's not going nowhere. So I ended up doing 3 layers per usual, and then with my band, I banded for an hour. Cause I wanted to see what the hype was about, banding for an hour, and it actually gave scalp, so it was cool. I don't know if I'm gonna do it every time, but it did look good. Y'all see that melt? Yeah. Alright, y'all. Lace is cut. She's looking real good, but we still have to melt her down. It's just this part needs to lay down a little bit more. Other than that, and what? It don't move. I don't even want to tell you too hard. Now to melt my lace, I am using the Wonder Lace Bomb by Evan, and I'm gonna just say right now, I will not continue to use this product. Like, it's just, after it dries, it just gets real sticky, and I don't like how it feels. But I do recommend using the Liquid Mousse by Fantasia. And this spray right here is what really helps melt your lace and make it look like scalp. This, along with the Evan together, is amazing. Yeah, so disregard what I said in that last clip, but now I'm just using that Fantasia Liquid Mousse, and I'm putting that on my lace. I don't know if I need to go back in and add some makeup to the front of it, but right now, I'd say it's looking pretty good. I just need to clean up some of the excess glue that's on my skin because it's looking a little ashy around it. Then here I'm just putting that wax stick on my hair because we got to get it real flat, and I'm using a hot comb to flatten everything out. Then last but not least, I'm just re-straightening my layers to just freshen it up a little bit. Alright, so that wraps up this video, y'all. So here is the finishing look. This is how the wig is looking. I tried my best with the layers. It came out okay for my first time. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also leave a comment because that would really help me out. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Bye.